let's just work on some greebles. So the greebles are kind of just going to add a little bit of flair to the ship. First thing we're going to add, let's add in just a pipe. Why? Because we can. Let's just make it kind of to justify it that it may be a booster. So maybe we get a pipe in here that comes this way, up and around, and then goes into the engine to help the exhaust go through, or the fuel, even though it's probably electric. Doesn't matter. Let's put a pipe in. So I'm going to Shift S and select cursor to center. So this is so that now when I go add mesh, Shift A, add mesh, and cylinder, it's going to be in the center. Now from here I'm going to go to tab to go into edit mode, and let's just position this to where I want it. Rotate 90. We can have a big pipe. And let's go this way. Now this is I love the spin tool. So the spin tool works is wherever the 3D cursor is, it'll spin around that point. So here we go -90 to go the other way. Okay. So whatever view we're viewing it at, that's how it's going to spin. So if I do a Control Z, and let's say from this angle, and I do spin, we're going to get this weird spin, because from that view that we just had, it spun 90 degrees around that 3D cursor. So that's why we go into side view, spin, extrude, and let's do another spin. Let's go 90. I'm going to extrude that a little bit. And how far away are we? Ooh, pretty far away. I'm just going to select all. Let's move that in a bit. And Z to go top view. I want to put a spin tool there. I want to spin around here. But, whoops, I had everything selected there. Let's just select this face, spin, and rather than going 90, I'm actually going to go -60, and then extrude that. It didn't go far enough. Control Z, extrude. Alright, so now we've kind of got this pipe that goes into the engine. And let's just finish that off. Oh, side view, 3. We'll spin that around. Actually, maybe we'll make this a bit of a big curve. -60. 60. There we go. Extrude. So we've kind of got this cool pipe thing happening. I'm going to go to the mirror modifier, and let's add in a mirror modifier. So now we've got it on both sides. I wonder if we can duplicate this. So if I go Shift D, Z, what can we do? I am a fan. Let's get rid of. Let's get rid of this bit. So, whoops, go into wireframe mode, B, middle mouse button, remove. And so we've got that. And technically we could come around, but I think that'll be too low. I think we need to... Ugh. Almost like... I'm not going to worry about that second pipe. Maybe we might come back to it and fill it up. But that's using the spin tool, and that's how we can create some pipes. And let's just smooth that. While we're here, I'm going to grab this edge, Shift D. I'm going to rotate it 90. Going to make that bigger. That's roughly the center. Extrude on the X. What do we got? Face. Let's bring that in. should we maybe rotate 60? Whoops. R60, R30, and we will put it in like so, and let's expand that, and so now that's kind of got a bit of an inset. So what we do is let's add the bevel modifier to that, back to angle, and auto smooth, smooth. So we kind of got that as well. Good. Let's do the same for this. I don't think we've got enough room. We might change that. We might come back to that. But yeah, let's leave it at that.